Over 100 and a bunch years ago, when horsepower was literally that, and letters were handwritten and delivered, our man Charles Cheers Wakefield developed a revolutionary lubricant called Castrol. Originally made with castor oil, Mr. Wakefield thought, it ain't just for hair. This lubricant became the pioneering lifeblood for anything on water, land, and in the sky. Castrol's always pushed boundaries and gone beyond, from the laboratory to the racetrack. Castrol technological advances have been rigorously tested in Formula One, NASCAR, and efforts beyond our atmosphere. Driving tomorrow since 1899, Castrol has been pushing the boundaries for 120 years. Castrol GTX MAGNATEC is a fully synthetic motor oil, uniquely formulated to provide instant protection from the moment you start your engine. Up to 75% of engine wear occurs during the first 20 minutes of warm-up. Most oils drain from critical engine parts when the engine's turned off, and they need time to reach the peak protection temperature when turned back on. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Castrol MAGNATEC ultra-refined molecular components cling to the engine throughout all driving conditions. When the engine stops, other oils drain back to the sump, while Castrol GTX MAGNATEC's intelligent molecules cling tenaciously to critical engine parts like a magnet, providing a layer of protection from the start and throughout warm-up. And once again, analysis has proved that Castrol MAGNATEC results were better than the competition. In an industry-standard camshaft wear test conducted over a total of 300 hours, Castrol GTX MAGNATEC experienced lower wear compared to a high, steady increase in wear from other basic API-SN quality oils. And if that wasn't enough, a basic API-SN quality oil was used for the first 100 hours, then switched to Castrol GTX MAGNATEC fluid for the remainder of the test. Even then, a decrease in the wear rate was seen after Castrol GTX MAGNATEC was applied, while the components without Castrol GTX MAGNATEC protection showed rough and worn surfaces. Remember, with most car trips lasting less than 20 minutes, Castrol MAGNATEC's protection is fully activated from the start, dramatically reducing engine wear and costly repairs. All Castrol GTX MAGNATEC products are fully synthetic and GDI certified. This certification helps to prevent catastrophic engine failure due to the known problems of low-speed pre-ignition. In the NOAC volatility test, or the burn-off resistance test, this test proves that Castrol MAGNATEC resists oil burn-off 17% better than the other guys. That means your customers won't have to top up their oil as often. But more importantly, the oil maintains its protection properties through the length of the oil change cycle. When oil is burned off, the goo left behind is sludge, and goo doesn't protect engine components. It can also plug up oil passageways, preventing the oil getting to the engine components that need it. Next up, we tested how MAGNATEC protects in extremes. The Orban shear trial is a test of an oil's strength after being mechanically pulled apart. Yeah, that's right, and Castrol MAGNATEC resists mechanical shearing 45% better than the competitor's average. This matters why? Resistance to mechanical shearing prevents viscosity breakdown. This is critical to providing the proper film strength for wear protection in the engine. The smart people in the shiny lab coats then did the 4-ball wear test, which measures oil's ability to prevent wear under load and speed. Castrol MAGNATEC prevents wearing, scarring, and welding 6% better than the competitive average. This is good because the engine parts will be protected better while operating under low and high speeds. So remember, as soon as you can crank your engine over, Castrol GTX MAGNATEC's protection is fully activated from the start. These intelligent molecules cling to critical engine parts in all driving conditions, even when the engine is off. Enjoy instant protection while dramatically reducing engine wear. Castrol GTX MAGNATEC leaves critical engine parts 4 times smoother. On the road and in the lab, GTX MAGNATEC outdoes the competition.